This channel making 30k US dollar earning in a single month. In this video, I can show you how can making this type of video totally free AI. I show you step by step you can making this type of video, how can create a prompt, how can making this video and editing and uploading in total process in video. So go computer screen, I can show step by step. First of all, I see this channel, lots of content, millions of the view, 21 million view, 90 million view, 60 million view. This content totally faceless content and making documentary style video. And today in this video, I can provide master prompt you can use and making this type of content. Okay, so I can show you one by one how can create this type of video. First of all, copy this prompt, whole prompt, and go to Claude AI. This Claude totally free, and paste this prompt and start. This Claude asked me, please provide your competitor channel, transcript, video title, and topics. Go to our competitor channel and copy your video title, 20 title and others information, copy and paste Claude. Then this Claude AI analyzed our competitor channel and making a 20 original viral title, this video. So this Claude say your information. One, idea analytics. Claude, first of all, showing your idea, and you can send me B option 20 viral titles from 5 my series and gadgets title. So this is the 5 titles and viral titles. Then Claude asks me, please send your title and go to write a script. So I choose the first title and paste here and enter. This Claude and analyze our title and making a full script. So analyze more polished and engaging the title. And this Claude asks me how long should the script. I chose approximately 10 minutes. So I can start now. Claude write a script 10,000 character and approximately this video duration 10 minutes. So you can again ask me this video and our analytics is okay. She said 10,000 character and 10 minutes video restart and ask me, let me know your top tone and preference and the tone angle and other thing. I can choose the first one. Okay, and paste here. Now this Claude write a script and again ask me your narration tone went. I chose the mysterious and cinematic tone and run. Now Claude write a script fully mysterious and cinematic tone whole script. Okay, first of all story blueprint, and I confirm that. Finally title the message no on the supposed to decode. So and more information, do you approve the story blueprint? Once you approve, I will write the full complete documentary script. Okay, approve it and write a documentary script 3. Done. So now Claude completely write the documentary script. Okay, first of all cinematic hook, visual hook and cinematic context and full script right here. Then I can go to text to video prompt right here. So just wait some time and Claude completely write the script and move the second step. Now Claude completely finish the write the script, and now I copy the full script here and open the notepad. Okay, and paste here. And I remove the visual direction cause text to speech, it's the problem. So full script you remove the visual direction, full completely remove there your full script. Okay, now I can go to level labs and making the text to voice option. So copy here and go to level labs. You can easy to search. Go to Google and search the 11 labs and you can see your interface. Just log in your Gmail. You can free 10,000 token, your first login, and go to text to speech here and paste your script. Okay, and paste your script and select your voice model. I can choose the Adam Stone American male voice model and 11 labs B3 model. Okay, then I can just voice over a single line and script here. Generate the speech. Now,
December 2020.
Now, 11 labs making a text to speech. Here, simple here.
A small team of amateur code breakers stares at a screen. For 51 years, this exact
complete my text to speech and download voiceover and go to Claude AI. Now, Claude AI asks me, do you approve the script or would would you like any correction, anything, please know me. And otherwise, I can, once you approve it, I will create the scene by scene. I will create the sentence by sentence, 8 minutes 3D text to video generation prompts. Step 4. Okay, I can approve and run. Now Claude AI. Now Claude AI write a text to video generation prompt. Scene 1 is a narration at dark home office. Write the text to video generation prompt, and the narration here, a dark home office, multiple monitors, and narration here. So go to and copy the text to video generation prompt, full copy, and go to Flow AI. You can search Google and search Flow AI and create a project and paste your video generation prompt and select your video model, Omni Plus or VO3 Lite, anything, any kind of model. Then run. So you can create your first video and go to CapCut and create a new project and improve your voiceover. Improve my voiceover and play my voiceover.
December 20.
And up the volume and fix the gap.
2020.
Okay.
December 2020. A small team of amateur code breakers stares at a screen. For 51 years,
okay, cut the silence voice and fix the my voice. Okay. Now my voice and completely fix and edit my voice something, normalize loudness and reduce noise and up the voice fully and play my voice.
December 2020. A small team of amateur code breakers stares at a screen.
Now complete my voice and go to Flow AI and create my video here. So download and import here.
December 2020. A small team of amateur code breakers stares at a screen. For 51 years, this exact pattern of symbols.
Okay, first clip done, and go to Claude AI and copy my second video clip and paste here. Now edit something this clip.
December 2020. A small.
December 2020. The video. Clip the audio layer and go to text option and auto caption and generate auto caption. Cause shows auto caption and adjust all clip. Okay, identify flare and word. So wait some time and fix the identify my word. Okay, done.
A small team of amateur code breakers stares at a screen. 51 years.
And 51 years. This text, more important text. So go to text option and select this one, 1 year, and remove the other sentence. Okay, then cut the audio, cut the video layer and go to blend option and blend the clip. Okay, this text, move the middle and system, go to font and system and click the font and pattern, bold pattern and paste the uppercase. Okay, and go to color section and fix the green color, more engaging color, and go to animation and the smooth animation, select the smooth animation. So I can select this
for 50.
Okay, or
for 50.
Okay, and upper.
For 51.
Okay, done.
This exact.
Fix the other and go to video generation model or second clip video and download here and move the CapCut and paste here.
Exact pattern of symbols has defeated police departments, intelligence agencies, and thousands of hopeful strangers.
Okay, and cut this video clip and again Claude AI and copy the scene theory. Okay, and paste the Claude option. Wait some time and fix and ready our clip theory and copy my video layer and remove the subtitle here. Okay, now play again first.
December 2020. A small team of amateur code breakers.
Okay.
Stares at a screen. For 51 years, this exact pattern of symbols has defeated police department.
Complete my 3 video clip and download here and improve this clip CapCut. Okay, so improve and here and play again.
Intelligence agencies and thousands of hopeful strangers. Tonight, something is different. A path.
Okay, now completed. I can show you only 3 clips. You can complete your full video this way. And now add some transaction. Click the transaction and mix transaction and copy here. And again, mix transaction, copy here. Now our video totally, completely new, engaging video. This type of content, you can see totally 3D style documentary video. And my video is totally 3D style documentary video. Now add some more effort this video and go to my new folder and add a audio layer and clip at here and full screen here, cause and start here and go to marks option and add marks and spread and rotate these marks and 180 degree angle, and this is the shadow, and go to text option and select auto caption and generate auto caption.
December 2020, a small team of amateur code breakers.
Okay, I go to text option and select the pattern, case, and change the font. This font more bold. Okay, I select this font and go to animation and go to caption and select the voice.
Is about to speak.
And go to fix here. Now I play full video. You can see and give me your feedback. Remove the 51 and remove the text here and play.
For 51 years, this exact pattern of symbol.
And you can see in video Gemini logo here. You can add your YouTube logo or Facebook logo here. I can add my YouTube logo. So add here. You can also same style, add your same style and full video. Okay, you can see this video.
December 2020, a small team of amateur code breakers stares at a screen. For 51 years, this.
And my video almost finished here. Just add one background music. Go to ChatGPT and comment here. I need a background sound, background music prompt. I just think a command ChatGPT. I need a background music prompt for documentary video. Click here. Now ChatGPT write a 30-second documentary video prompt and copy and go to Gemini AI and create a music for background. Go to Gemini and create a plus icon and create a music. Okay, and go to ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT create a cinematic documentary background music and prompt and copy and paste the Gemini. Now Gemini AI making a cinematic documentary background sound, create a background music and download here, play the music. Good, it is the very good and engaging type of background sound. Go to CapCut and improve here, go to download option and improve background sound and paste here. Now play our video.
December 2020, a small team of
a little bit down our background sound volume,
amateur code breakers stares at a screen. For 51 years, this exact pattern of symbols has defeated police departments, intelligence agencies, and thousands of hopeful strangers. Tonight.
Okay, now our video totally completed and the background sound matches our video. Now watch our full video and
December 2020, a small team of amateur code breakers stares at a screen. For 51 years, this exact pattern of symbols has defeated police departments, intelligence agencies, and thousands of hopeful strangers. Tonight, something is different. A pattern is finally holding. A message that was never meant to be read is about to speak.
Okay, you can see, you can watch our final video, totally engaging. And so friends, I hope this video helped your video generation journey, and thank you for watching our full video. And please comment our next topic, which topic you like, and create the next video.